Hey, what's up, Meridos YouTube family? G's and Pim. I don't normally wake up this early. It is 6:15 on Sunday. Today is the what? The September the what? September the 9th? September the 9th. And I'm on my way to Port Royal, I think. Because I'm going to be doing scuba diving for the first time today with Yardie divers. No, yeah, I don't know what I have in store. I just want to see what it is like. Hopefully, it's something I enjoy. Oh gosh, I don't know from morning night about here. Hopefully, I never vomit any people in the ocean. Let's see what it's all about, people.
You think this is more swimming?
Yes.
It's changing for no reason whatsoever. Because everybody else have on black and skin tight, you feel you must have on black and skin tight too?
Because that's the look of it, that's the look, so I'm just trying to keep it uniform.
So why such a deep voice in the morning?
Because that is the voice that I have. Can you stop?
No.
Give me some phone. Oh, yeah, this is my backyard.
Oh.
And so basically when I wake up in the mornings, I normally, when I'm meditating, reflecting, reading, I'll just come right here. I'll sit and I'll, play with, I think the whale is somewhere around here right now. And the dolphins.
Whale?
The whale and the dolphin.
What's their names?
Remember Free Willy? So she is a descendant. She's from the lineage of Free Willy. And I don't want to come out here and just do something like, hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo!
Nothing's happening.
Sleeping.
Oh.
Sleeping. Just sleeping out your man yard.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, and try scuba diving. Alright? They
We don't want to discover nothing.
The
last discovery was Columbus.
Yeah, and for some reason the word discover just never sit well with it. It never connects. So try scuba diving. Sound exactly like what it is. Try it, alright? So it's not a certification, this is just simply an experience program for you to just get your feet wet, so to speak, and actually feel what it's like to breathe underwater. Alright? So I'm going to issue these booklets and we're going to go through them. Alright? And in the booklet there's a little quiz, 9 questions, true or false, no pressure.
It's not like GSAT.
No, it's not like GSAT. I saw some pep questions recently. And
No, I saw pep questions recently. I'm like,
dog on the fence.
honestly, next.
Oh
yeah.
Alright?
Yes,
And
sir.
also, there's some paperwork in there for you to fill out. It's going to be asking you your name, age, email address. Please fill it out. There's also a medical. I'm going to ask you to fill it out. I'm going to ask you some questions that are very important. I have the pens. I'm going to go into them shortly. Alright?
Yeah.
As soon as you guys are through with this, I might ask you to take a little break to fit some equipment. The equipment that we're going to be using. Alright? If you have any questions whatsoever, if you have any anxieties, anything at all, you have to ask me. That's the rule. Alright? You must. You can't keep it to yourself. You want to ask it privately, whatever.
I'm worried about the fact that
Alright, so the way swimming underwater is all around you. Alright? For number one.
Number one only.
For number one only. The restroom for number 2 is located at the Grand Port Royal Hotel over there where it says pirates or wenches. Alright?
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
You guys want me to read
use the
this out
bathroom
loud?
before you leave as well, alright?
Alright.
On the port side, we have our oh boy, amateurs. Sorry. No offense, please, right? But yeah, those of you who are trying scuba diving for the first time, all right. So we certainly hope you enjoyed the experience. Our captain is Rasheen, and yes, we are not into child labor. He is 21. All right.
Can't trick me, I mean,
All right. So we're gonna just drop you guys to Lime Key. We're gonna do our diving, come back, and then we'll come back out for you. All right. You'll be in the capable hands of Jadon. All right. Try not to drown.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Our divers are going to be going to Black Tip and Cayman Trader. We're going to do the briefing once we get these
The
guys
Cayman?
off the boat at Lime Key. All
Is
right?
it Cayman?
Yeah. That was,
Cayman Trader. It's a shipwreck. It's actually Cayman.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we wouldn't be coming back for you guys today. We don't say you wouldn't want that. All right, so rush in. Punch it.
With filter.
I got friends in Cayman.
Man, first time, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for swim.
You prepared? What kind of movies you did you watch before this for kind of prep?
What name? Deep Blue Sea.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is probably not the best movie.
Yeah, the bad when you watch Titanic.
Yes, sir, mate.
Titanic, we didn't watch.
I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm only here to have fun.
Okay. Alright. Fernie, ready?
Get certified after this.
Ready for what?
Huh?
Ready to save me from drowning yet?
No.
Fern is not a big, is Fern a big swimmer?
Here for official drown prevention.
Oh.
Yes.
You know, I thought it was a rubbing for like half Kartel underwater play, but
Yeah.
oh, you have the Kartel underwater. I think it's on. Yes.
Lost in Jamaica?
Yeah. But that's a survival about we work.
No, we can't use lost. We'll use what? Stranded?
Oh. I have one other one named Nick. No, that's a different song. That Naked.
Where do you guys get the plastics off of? Like the garbage.
You see that argument, you know? For too long, you know? Last jail on that one there. Like when I'm over there with you for
His
couple
email
hours.
specifically said no plastic.
Yeah, it's rough. We would just have to do our part.
I'm
But
like,
it's rough because, so, for instance, even Kingston Harbour where we're based, I don't know if you noticed, but right outside of the hotel, there was,
Yeah, I saw.
and yeah, it's a really a problem. And as soon as they clean it up, all it takes is rainfall, because 21 gullies feed into the Kingston Harbour. They just wash across the harbour into the mangroves, everywhere.
So back in the day, they did something like this at the hotel, or not now, because of the garden.
She's terrified, not afraid. That looks like it's growing into a.
Wait, terrified of rubbish? Oh, okay. Why?
he's a little baby lizard.
Guys, there are
Donuts.
and cookies. Alright?
Roshane, brace yourself.
Wow.
Don't embarrass yourself.
There are,
Very.
there's
Put
a
somebody
bag of
back on the
ice
line.
there. There's a knife in here to cut the
I can't believe the man have the
oranges.
meal
There's a
prep
butter
container
chocolate
them we
in
doing
there.
it.
Thing in them like that.
The man have the
Son of
meal
a
prep container them we doing it in the.
I'm just gonna go ahead and look for the fruits.
Alright. So in the interest of time, we're going to do it in three. So Marlon, Roshane, Fern, you guys, that's our group.
My son, yeah, what do you in
Yay,
trees?
team! What's the
Alright.
team name?
So which group would like to go first?
Man say, what do you in
Yeah.
trees?
No.
Alright guys.
Yeah, because you learn.
We need to-
You have
we
like the
need to-
struggles
we need to-
groups, like it's a from.
Hand signals.
Alright guys, so hand signals. Alright, so we went through this in the book, right?
Yeah.
I will all
Okay.
remember them, right?
Ding dong dong.
Okay. Stop.
So okay,
Down.
stop.
Stop. You know, say ding dong come up with a dance
I
like that
remember
name,
this
guy.
one.
What's that one?
This one is
Time.
no gauge.
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 Look at the
Yeah.
gauge, right? What's this one?
Stop.
Out of ear. Out of ear.
What's this one?
In trouble.
Low.
Fix something.
Low on air. Low on air,
Low.
out of air. What about this one?
I'm in trouble. I'm feeling well.
Something is wrong.
Like your
ears are.
Right, so if I do this and do this, it means something is wrong.
Wrong in my ear.
Right? What about this?
Easy. Easy. Oh, Nelly.
Taxi.
Slow
Taxi?
down.
Oh, yeah. Why not?
Me always at time.
Alright?
Bag number one.
Why not ready to
Alright.
yeah.
Using your BCD. At the surface, the red button is what you're going to use to float when you're at the surface. So if you're under the water, if you're already under the water, you're going to fin to the surface, and when you're at the surface, you're going to put air in your BCD, and that will allow you to float. So you won't need, you know, when you're swimming and you're treading.
Go over that again.
Alright, so when you're at the surface,
Alright, that's the surface.
You push the button.
you push the button, the red button. That's the only thing you're going to respond to that. When you're already at the surface and your head is above the water,
And you start breathing normally.
start breathe normally, you can take out your regulator, you press this, you're going to float, it's going to add air into your jacket and cause it to float at the surface. Okay. Understood?
Ariel is a fussy. You know?
Why?
No, Ariel is a fussy.
Why?
Think about it. No.
Why, Marlon? Why is Ariel a fussy?
First of all, she don't even keep her word and make her dirty. Like, her father tell her, Bill.
Yes.
This girl, you know. No, see, think about it. She's an artist girl and she run off.
Like Dora.
Careless.
Yes.
She see that man here one time.
I'm frightened.
Trade her voice and them something just to come. Yo, Ariel careless. Most of them, when you look for most of them, where them name fairy tale,
Yeah, Disney is sitting there.
under the bag.
the lesson when I try to give you another real lesson, you know. When you think about it, you know, seriously think about it. She see a man one time for trade her voice. And then she come try to go around. Ursula should name here.
Yeah, Ursula.
I try to go around Ursula. Ariel, go away.
Jamaican people love Ariel.
No,
Even if
Ariel
not
can't.
Jamaican people love
Ariel, careless girl.
No.
Ariel,
Dora.
careless.
Dora are the careless girl, not Ariel.
No, I like Dora.
Dora will walk around underage in her belly skin. I walk across through wood with boots. Really? I never come judge.
Exploring.
And I have man randomly pop up and want to swipe her. No, you can't come tell me that. Dora, no. Dora the careless one.
No.
Jesus.
Go back.
Alright, so there with the first team. First team is Team Cute.
Team cute.
Team Cute and one ugly.
One ugly. Team cute.
Alright, so, you know, who is the group leader?
I will volunteer, yes.
And okay, and how you're planning to like make sure say everything goes well and you monitor your other team?
Team, and that's important to me. I don't want anybody that would stress me out. That's why I'm not on Marlon's team.
Okay. Yeah.
Our team is very composed, you know, so we're feeling good.
And you feel like you'll do a better job at scuba diving today than the other team?
Absolutely. I'm very confident in my team and I know they'll do very well today.
And like a birdie tells me said there is somebody that is going to be threatening you for the role of leader of the team. The person they beside you about, you know, I don't really want to say it. How will you?
As far as I'm concerned, he's standing here for moral support.
Yeah. Oh.
And I'm the one that invited him here in the first place.
Yes.
He cannot take my title.
Watch.
Exactly.
What you say? And run joke with
Just a start, grade 1. First day of school. How is school now go?
lunch kid. What about the lunch
St. Peter and Paul.
Primary.
Lime Key Primary.
Yo, look.
Future leaders, watch it.
Future leader.
Look on the eye and them uniform.
Name fund them me, whatever it name. That one, the fund the low so
Fondazione.
whatever it one name.
What is the school song? Let me hear your school song.
Oh no.
What?
Shall we go underwater?
Oh yes, nice.
Underwater, me want underwater.
What are we doing? Are we enjoying a peaceful day out? Watching group number 1 do their scuba dives? No! This is what we're doing. This is some bullshit.
Say it for me. Right, temperature for shelter you from the storm. Over. Girl, I got the right.
This is called noise pollution.
And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Bumper exposed.
You have serious problems.
You know we stars, girl, you're impressed out. And if it is out of me, if it is out, I got the remedy for
Why are you like this?
Me have to flaunt it, become a God bless out. And girl, if you want it, me have to contest out.
Have you always
And
been
I
like
will
this?
need to speed, have to test the matches already. On the way, this time is cool. Whatever. I've got the temperature for shelter you from this thing. Oh Lord, girl, I got the right
want to bite me.
turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Go so. Crazy Joe. Oh. Go, ready, friend. Oh man, duh.
Oh god.
Why look? Ready, friend. Well, on the way, the time cool, I wanna be. Yeah. I've got the friend, you tell me, it shelter you from the storm.
Oh Lord, girl, I got the right tactics to turn. To the next verse.
You really should be encouraging.
Next, Papa.
I work with the mom. How we go again?
Player like me with a brother like me, girl.
I'm just a hype man. Yeah.
No need.
Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Hey, hey, Shana Peasy, Shana Polly.
You kind of overshadow the thing. Okay, you know, like, yeah. But that's where me at, well, on the way there. Also, I want to be keeping you warm.
Wave him.
I've got the. All right, do 1, 2 dance, yeah.
Wave him.
Yeah. 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 Dip with it. Yeah. All right. Hang up.
This is team 2 cute and 1 ugly.
Shell.
Oh, yo, guys.
Yeah.
Candy.
Was a good team leader?
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Ali was on top of Candy.
Yeah, yeah.
Like her legs was going to hit her in the head. I see Candy the big little thing. Fight.
No, I was just letting her know I was below her,
Dog.
but she was swimming above me.
Laughing. Holy for water, them a glock. I know she never know. I'm seeing
Hit anybody gently or no?
That's what I said.
Oh, good.
Yeah, hit anybody.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And I was just like,
I wanted to know how you feel on the water.
Okay.
above me, so I was just like,
Science.
Yeah, I want to know if you're fun music.
Oh, okay. No, like, first of all, Yardie, thank you for this opportunity.
Yes.
And support.
Also, you do the voter thanks on behalf of everybody.
No,
Go ahead.
yeah, no,
All right,
but
team
that's
team
a
captain. All right,
Me
team
just, no,
captain.
yeah, team captain.
Oh, really? Oh,
And
thank you.
You delegated to me.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
thank you for this opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to looking under the water and support. Over to the team captain.
But yeah, so this is a really big deal setting. It's a very huge opportunity. I've
Three
never
piece.
scuba dived before, and someone for the sort of experience is like, what is actually underwater? You hear Kartel talk about it. I don't
Underwater,
know.
mate.
Yeah, and so let's go see. Fern, don't be a Michelle, say something.
I'm transitioning to a mermaid. And this is my first step of being real me.
Yeah.
Yay!
I know, wait now. No, stop. Hold on, let's do the, you know what you have to story there, come now. We have to do the, you know what you have to do this type of something. We're going to say, yeah, they are the divers, and then we'll go up some finish in the ear. After 3.
Yeah,
Ready?
Yardie.
Yeah, and then we just, you know what you show them when they just freeze like. When they watch Funny Matters, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, Yardie divers!
Yo.
Team Awesome is way cooler than you.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, sorry.
Kind of in the league.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo va a dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo va a dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría. Underwater me, underwater, underwater me, underwater, underwater me, underwater me, underwater.
La 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 la, fit and no tick it and you take it.
Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While the devoting full time, you floating under the sea. Now you want the fish is happy.
Out of here?
Chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Close to, you know, our follow instructions.
Instructor.
Can I outro you?
Yeah, I looked around and
Just
didn't
scout
see
out,
that
just
one.
scout out the land.
I looked around for
I made little friends. They're fishing.
Well, since you're gonna be a mermaid, then you're gonna rule all of them.
Yes.
I have video?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I must warn you though, the audio quality might not be all that. It might be have to be enhanced.
Like give me some
No.
Right
The
now?
case it. Because of the case.
Yeah, no problem, just talk out.
Alright. We're not done yet, you know?
Yeah, it's still standing.
We're not done yet, you know?
I don't understand the worst part, I know what
You don't think I got shot, you know? No. Come right back.
It's
Alright, so I'm just done finished my first scuba diving experience. And boy, oh boy, I'm kind of afraid of the last part. How did I do?
You did very well. For somebody who never have any swimming experience,
It's not nice.
anything,
Yes.
you did very, very well.
Extremely well.
Extremely well.
Like I did the best out of everybody here today.
Yes.
Listen,
yes.
I did the best out of everyone here today.
Did the best out of everyone here
Today.
Yes.
His fingers are crossed.
No, not true. You did very well today.
Alright, so just tell the burritos them out there about the experience, and if they want to come try something like this, how them approach you, how them contact you, where, when, and what they need.
Alright, so this activity is called Discover Scuba Diving.
Yeah.
We do it out here at beautiful Lime Key.
Yeah.
If you are interested in trying scuba diving, know that the only thing you need to come with is your will to adventure and just experience scuba diving full stop. You don't need to be able to swim or anything. You just need to come with a spirit of adventure. That is what you need to do.
I can't swim and I
Dutch
try
Berry
today. And
is
yeah,
not a swimmer.
not at all.
And he did very well.
Yeah.
He did very, very well.
Best ever.
Best ever.
Cross your fingers, please. Legendary.
Legendary.
And it's not fake news.
And it's news.
Okay. So if somebody say this now and then how them contact you?
Well, they can contact me through my Instagram page, which is Yardie, YARDIE_divers. And they can DM us there, or they'll find all our information at the page, or they can visit our website, which is www.yardieconserve.com.
Alright, so before you left, just a box cover.
Box cover.
No, look a bit more energy, look a bit more emphasis.
Box cover!
Much better, thank you.
Guys, thanks for coming out. Marlon Music. Oh. Thanks for coming out. Yardie King. Appreciate it. Alicia.
Bong,
Whoa.
coach. Bong, you're the bomb.
Oh, thank you. Right. Ricky, thanks for coming out. Dutch Berry.
Yeah.
You guys made this amazing friend.
Nobody drunk.
What? Came out, you will run through the door of them, yeah.
You came what? What kind of nonsense you talk about, Marlon?
I came
You
out.
run through the door of them? American 5 moment, Marlon. Okay.
I want to get another wreck. Sorry.
Pop quiz.
Pop quiz.
You ever had sex at Lime Key before?
It's on my plan.
Later on. You ever had sex at Lime Key before? Oh, yeah.
No.
Candy. Ever had sex at Lime Key before? No.
I've never even had sex.
Ever had sex at Lime Key before?
She's a virgin.
What?
Hell no.
What do you do?
Hell no. Have you seen those iguanas out here?
Oh, she virgin. You virgin.
It's one of those iguanas went in the wrong hole.
Alright, so everybody, how was the experience though?
Great!
Amazing.
You should do this.
Come on. Everybody can swim right there, so.
Hey, man, I'm here like a
Wait, I'm the only person who can swim?
No, me even swim deal, I know.
No, you can't swim. See, you move from point A to point B to point C. So me the only person who can swim? Really? Oh.
I never.
Wow.
But you never drowned.
No, I never drowned. That's the way. Alright, tell everybody bye on YouTube.
Hold on. Bye.
Alright. Great.
What did you see? Shark?
Yeah, saw sharks, saw a couple dolphins.
Wow. In the tour with the dolphins?
Yes.
Lovely.
Saw Little Mermaid.
Oh, liar.
That for you to realize I like the water.
I'm gonna be a shock. I'm gonna be a shock.
Upside down face. The mermaid part.
But them say mermaids are where place named Flatbridge. And I said people say them used to say mermaid out of Flatbridge.
Yeah, man.
You saw?
Yeah, man. A river mama.
Oh.
River mama.
Yeah,
Yo,
that's
that
it.
used to make the car them crash. Never know this.
Yeah, some here.
So as usual, thank you for watching. Make sure that you like, share and comment. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Take care until next time. Do road with Dotty.